Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Audi Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player, remote keyless entry, tachometer, leather seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.